This wing is not only state-of-the-art in terms of design, architecturally and environmentally, and geared towards providing quality and safety and great service for our patients. It is also fully IT enabled. And so what does that mean? Well, we have an electronic whiteboard that you may be able to see behind me here. The whiteboard replaces old technology, which was basically manual technology, where physicians and clinicians would be writing patients' names, who is assigned to that patient, etc. Now it's fully IT enabled, so there's clarity in terms of the names and people can have clear identification. And there's also color coding, which enables identification of who may be coming, who's a new admission, who is soon to be discharged.
One of the questions you've been asking is technology. Where is it? How does it work? I think one of the most important things is that it's here, it's really here, but it's hidden. We've allowed for the future. We've got buried cables, we've got technology cables everywhere, we've got the telemetry on the ceiling, and we've got teams that can fix it or find it anytime. You don't hear the phones ringing that much, it's quiet. Patients can get to their nurse directly instead of going through the care desk. The systems are wonderful, and I think what's happened is it's allowed us to concentrate on the whole environment. Nurses don't have to walk as far, they can be happier with their patients. Everybody's enjoying the space.
In addition, and most people will remember this in their experience in hospital, is the nurse call system. And so if you're a patient, you can remember maybe hearing a name being paged in the middle of the night. Now our nurse call system is fully integrated with our staff and our physicians and nurses having a handheld device. In this case, it's a Cisco phone. The phone now receives the call from the patient, and they'll be able to speak directly to their care provider. There's no overhead paging anymore, and there's an escalation feature that if that individual is busy, that it escalates immediately after a certain amount of time automatically to the next caregiver. So this is really going to be a much more responsive service and enable care at the bedside for our patients.
Technology liberates our staff and physicians to do what they want to do, take care of people. It's a facility where embedded information technology systems will ensure safe care and improved outcomes. A very concrete example of that is a device we call a COW, computer on wheels. And it's connected wirelessly to the infrastructure of the hospital. You can move that as a physician. When I see my patients, this computer works with me. I can look at an x-ray right there, tell the patient what I need to do. I can look at their lab results right there. Indeed, I can then document a progress note, so physicians anywhere in the hospital can now access this note and know what my thoughts are. The nurses can do that, and I can read theirs. And this is safer care now for everybody.
This is our COW, computer on wheels, and it's a great tool. We use it when we do our huddles, and huddles are, we meet once a week as a team and we go around the unit, so this is very handy to go from one care station to the next.
Right.
We're very decentralized, so we need to have this to go from room to room. We use it, the dietitians use it as well to put in the patient's choice of menus daily. It's great if the nursing stations are busy. The nurses can access any of the patient's information from this as well. We can do all our work from it, so you're not always stuck right there. If you're assessing a patient and you need to do inputs as well, you can do it from the COW.